This is the HXSJ V200 wired membrane keyboard. It is an RGB LED backlit gaming keyboard with a 68 keys layout. It connects over USB Type-C. Typing feels very good on this keyboard. The key travel and feedback mimics the feedback of any linear switch, such as the red or brown switches. It's more like a brown switch. Let's see under one of the keys. It is the standard membrane style. Let me show you the RGB of this keyboard. You can change the modes with the FN and backslash buttons. You can also choose a single color. The RGB is bright. It is a beautiful, very compact keyboard that is also very affordable. I can recommend this product. Thank you for watching.